En ik denk ook dat ons als youngsters, like, wat ik bij oor focus in mijn ministry, that we must make better decisions.
Sure.
As that if there's one area of our lives that we need to focus on is to make better decisions, and ik say slash godly decisions.
Yo.
Because the things you decide to do today is going to impact your tomorrow. And sometimes I think that we blame the enemy, we blame our circumstances, but at the end of the day is the decisions that we make. So we cannot have a good life if we make bad decisions. So for a young person, wil ik niet zeggen, die beste besluit wat je kan maken, I'm saying this biasly, is to serve the Lord. But ons moet werk aan onze decision making ability. Want hij is redig, wat soos die Bible sê dat the steps of the righteous are ordained. So our steps in the natural is our legs, but our steps in the spiritual is our decisions.